We're here live outside the Villamor Air Base in Pasay, where we can officially report that former President Rodrigo Duterte, the once strongman leader of the Philippines, has been arrested over alleged crimes against humanity. That was confirmed by Malacanang. Sinabi nila ngayon lang na in effect ng Interpol ang warrant of arrest ng International Criminal Court. Si former President Rodrigo Duterte ay nasa loob. May kasama siya at least 2 abogado, si former Executive Secretary Salvador Medaldea and Martin Delgra. Kasama niya ang kanyang anak na si Kitty, kasama niya ang kanyang partner na si Hanilet, at meron daw siyang kasamang apo. Yan ay ayon kay Senator Bongo na hindi makapasok sa loob ng Villamor Air Base. What we know so far, what we can officially confirm is that President Duterte has been arrested over alleged crimes against humanity. This roots from the arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court at kinonfirm ng Malacanang na Interpol ang nag-effect ng warrant. Kinumpirma din yan ni former Labor Secretary Silvestre Bello. Sabi niya ang nagpapaliwanag sa kanila kanina sa airport ay si Special Envoy for Transnational Crimes Marcos Lacanilaw. Ipinapaliwanag sa kanila na Interpol ang may operation sa pagsundo kay former President Rodrigo Duterte at ngayon ay nandito na siya sa loob ng Villamor Air Base. What happens from this point is still unclear. Hindi natin alam kung bakit nasa airbase si former President Duterte. Hindi natin alam kung may susundo ba sa kanya, dadalhin ba siya sa The Hague. But what we know from Interpol processes is an Interpol arrest is a provisionary arrest. Kailangan siyang dumaan sa legal proceedings for example, extradition papunta sa The Hague or surrender kung mismong susuko si former President Rodrigo Duterte sa The Hague. Ang sabi ng abogado niyang si Secretary Bello, kailangan daw dumaan sa Department of Justice pero hindi pa raw nila nakakausap si Justice Secretary Boying Remulla. Tinanong ko kung meron na bang nakipag-usap or may nag-attempt na nakipag-usap kay President Bongbong Marcos. Ang sabi ni Secretary Bello, wala pa daw. Yung doktor ni former President Rodrigo Duterte ay pinayagan ng pumasok. Secretary Bello said he's healthy as far as he knows kasi kagagaling lang nilang Hong Kong. Ang request lang daw ngayon ay pagkain dahil gutom na daw si former President Rodrigo Duterte at si Kitty. So it was also quite a sight that Senator Bongo, once the second most powerful man in the country, hindi makapasok, nandun lang siya sa labas ng gate at hindi niya rin maipaabot ang pizza na gusto niyang ibigay kay former President Rodrigo Duterte. Tinawagan niya si Kitty para sabihing sunduin na lang yung pizza sa gate at sinabi niyang puntahan mo ako dito sa gate kung saan dating pumapasok ang papa mo noong presidente pa siya. It illustrates the change in politics, the change in power, the tossing of the coin na the once most powerful man of the land, barely 3 years after his term, is now arrested under custody by Philippine authorities. We're still trying to get some more clarity kung ano yung magiging process up to this point. Maraming Duterte supporters ang nasa naiya kanina. Marami ang nandito pa rin. Umiiyak sila, nagcha-chant. They're expressing distrust for the government na bakit daw ganon ang pagtrato kay former President Rodrigo Duterte. Ang sabi naman ng Malacanang, they are certain that he is in good health at nasa mabuti siyang kalagayan. We're still trying to get more information kung sino ang government official na kasama niya doon. Again, this is reporting live from outside Villamor Air Base kung saan lahat ng mga hindi nakapasok na abogado ni former President Rodrigo Duterte ay nag-aabang lang sa labas. Again, to recap, ang kasama niya doon ay 2 abogado, dati niyang 2 gabinete, Secretary Medaldea and Secretary Delgra at ang kanyang pamilya, si Kitty, ang kanyang partner na si Hanilet. Again, to recap, former President Rodrigo Duterte has been arrested over alleged crimes against humanity for the high number of killings, as much as 27,000 killings of drug suspects in the war on drugs and the mysterious killings of the Davao Death Squad under his term as Davao City Mayor. 8 taong proseso po ito sa International Criminal Court that began in 2018. Now, for those who are asking yung legality ng arrest na to because the Duterte camp is crying illegal arrest, does the ICC have jurisdiction? The ICC chambers have ruled twice that it indeed has jurisdiction kahit pa nag-withdraw tayo noong 2018 because under the Rome Statute, kapag nag-withdraw ka, yung prosesong nasimulan bago ka nag-withdraw ay pwedeng magpatuloy. The Philippine government, even under President Marcos, has tried to appeal this, pero 2 beses nang nag-rule ang ICC chamber, up to the appeal chamber to say that yes, they indeed still have jurisdiction over this case. Ang naging problema lang ay sinasabi ni President Marcos noon na dahil hindi na tayo miyembro ng ICC, walang legal framework kung paano niya i-implement ang warrant of arrest mula sa korte na hindi naman na tayo miyembro. Dito pumasok ang Interpol because we are a member country of Interpol and we do know that that's what happened. Yan lang muna yung kaya pa naming i-report ngayon. It's gonna be a long day. We don't know where this will take us, but stay tuned to Rappler channels. Download the Rappler app for breaking news. We're putting everything we know there, and just stay tuned on our website and our channels. This is Lian Buan reporting live from the Villamor Air Base.